Hi everybody. I am on, I'll move this down. Sorry, I'm on Screencast-O-Matic this week. My normal video recording software was not playing nice today. So here's what we've got. So we're doing chapter 7 this week, and you will have a discussion board, you'll have a quiz. I went ahead this week and just handpicked the questions on the quiz to make sure that they were all correct. I have been hearing feedback from you guys that the some of the questions, when we're pulling them in from the test banks, they're just not accurate, and I do apologize for that. So let me know if you ever are questioning an answer. I'm happy to say yes, you got that right and give you the points for it, or no, I'm sorry you didn't. And so watch for that, but hopefully this week that should be solved. Then we do have a discussion board question. And finally, on the case study this week, you're going to complete the following. So you're going to put in your the rest of the content for your site as best you can. At this point, I expect your site to be about 80 to 90% complete with content from last week. So that'll look different for everybody. I'm not going to have hard and fast rules about what you need at this point because you do still have a few more weeks to polish those sites up, but I do want to see some progress from last week. So adding some new content and so forth. Then I want you to find 2 friends, family, classmates, dog walker, whatever, and have them review your site. And I want you to come up with 3 questions that you want them to answer in evaluation of your site. And I put an example in there. Would you say my site is easy to navigate? Why or why not? How can I improve navigation to make it easier for the user? Question mark, I'll make sure to put that in. But you need to develop those 3 questions, and then when you are submitting your answers, you'll have, for example, question 1, here's my question, here's what the 2 people answered, here's question 2, here's what the 2 people answered, and so forth, and then how you plan to address that and make the adjustments on your site to make it better. So then the third one is identify the promotional techniques you might use to promote your website. Describe at least one technique in the text submission area from our chapter and how you plan to do that. So the other thing is I want just to tag on the end here, and this is going to be our little Easter egg. So if you've watched all the way to the end of this video and you answer this question correctly in the text submission area of the case study assignment, I will give you 10 extra credit points. So here's the thing. I have not been having a whole lot of interest in our tutoring times for this class. And so we do have the online tutoring session time from 5 to 6 on Wednesdays. We also have AJ, who's in the Ada County Tutoring Lab almost every day from 11-ish to like 3-ish. I'm around most of the days on campus at Ada County. I'm also in Nampa, some on Monday mornings, and then also Friday afternoons I'm in Canyon, and I'm sitting in the lab there. We just haven't had a lot of interest in the either drop-in lab times. Nobody's been contacting me for office hours. So I just want to make sure that everybody's doing okay. And so what I want you to do is I want you to put in the case study submission area, just describe to me your needs for additional help or for tutoring help. So by the silence, I can either assume that everybody's just doing great and we're all, cruising right along, or you guys are having difficulties and you're not coming to me. A few of you have, which is great, but I want the rest of you to know that I am available. Just because this is an online class, I don't want you to feel like you're alone in what you might be struggling with. So I want you to write down there, say, I'm doing great, don't need any extra help at this time, or, I really could use some extra help. These are the times that are best for me, or I could use some extra help. Can we make an appointment? Or please just put some note in there that'll help me connect with you if you need that help. So, but at least write a response. If you write a response to this question of mine about tutoring assistance, you will get 10 extra credit points this week. All right, have fun.